Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a GitHub repository link. Want to clone a repository or share it with others? In this video, I'll show you how to get your GitHub repository link quickly and easily, just by following these few simple steps. Now let's follow these steps together. The first step is to open GitHub and find your repository. And to do that, just go to your computer's browser and click on it, and in the search bar type in github.com. As you can see here, this is the website you wanna type. Now after the website appears, use your account credentials to log in, or in case you don't have an account yet, you can create a new account. It's very easy and very simple. Now once you create an account and you log in, you'll be directed to your home dashboard. From here, click on the repository you want to share, and you can find all of your repositories in the right top side. As you can see here, this is the top repositories, and these are the 3 repositories that I created. As you can see, I can just click on any one, the one I want the link to. Now once you click on choose a repository and click on it, here is the part where you copy the link. Now at the top right, click the green code button, or in this case it's a black and white page, so it's just the code. Now here you can choose either HTTPS link for cloning via HTTPS or SSH link for secure authentication. And after that, click on the copy icon next to the link. Here is the HTTPS link, and here's the SSH link. You can choose wherever you want. And after that, click on the copy icon. This is the copy icon, the one that has 2 squares in it. Once you click on it, your link will be copied. And the third and final step is to share or use the link. You can pass the link where needed to clone, share and collaborate. For example, I'm gonna share it on this one, and I'm gonna click on Git. Let's see if now the link, this is a Git link. Let's try an HTTPS link. This is one. Access on it, and as you can see, I accessed the repository I copied the link to. Use the HTTPS link if you don't have SSH set up. Now if the repository is private, invite others to access it, and use Git pages if it's a web project to host it online. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you find and copy your GitHub repository link in seconds. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further or more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.